G'day, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. It's been wetted, rules in millimetres. As you can see, there's a fair bit of clay amongst it. The price has been adjusted for that fact. I'll zoom in. Okay, just take you for a quick run around the deal. Like I earlier said, has got a fair bit of clay mixed in it. It's not very expensive. Excuse me. A few little crystal pieces. This. That bit's got nothing in it. Crystal piece. Some pretty pieces amongst this. It's a pity it's so thin. Cut a lovely stone. Maybe you could make a doublet out of it. It's basically a little parcel to practice on. Get a few little pieces out of it. You can cut a lot of the grab clay off this and put it in a specimen jar perhaps. Anyway, I think you've got the idea of what you're looking at for your money. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.